People, Jamaican people, I'm reaching out to the Jamaican people. Do not let the past, the present, or even the future to be prime ministers fool you. I have come on this social media platform and beat Mark Golden for his dual citizenship until I read our constitution. People, do not let politicians, do not let JLP or PMP blind your eyes to the reality of the dual citizenship. The Jamaica Labour Party is using this as a political point against the People's National Party to trick the people of Jamaica. People, we need to read. We need to read more and understand our constitution. Because in no way, shape, or form does Mark Golden dual citizenship goes against our constitution. As a matter of fact, it is perfectly in a line with the Constitution of Jamaica. So when PJ Patterson come out and attack, theme time done. When Andrew Holness come out and talk, he's using it as a political points to gain on the PMP. I don't care what anybody wants to say. We need to read and understand things. That when the Constitution speaks of dual citizenship, it never speaks of people who have a dual citizenship in the Commonwealth. It spoke of people who had dual citizenship out of the Commonwealth. America is not a Commonwealth country. So if you have an American citizenship and a Jamaican citizenship, if you're going into politics, you have to get rid of your American citizenship. However, the whistleblower who came out and spoke of the dual citizenship thing did well. They did well. I'm telling you, they did well. Because a lot of MPs in the House had dual citizenship. No, the fact that they spoke of the dual citizenship and everybody went and renounced their citizenship, the fact of the matter is they should not have been an MP with a dual citizenship out of the Commonwealth. Now, people, educate yourself. Go and read up the Constitution and you will see that Mark Golden is perfectly fine with his dual citizenship because it falls under the Commonwealth. Now, because these people or these men or these former present prime minister is not telling you the truth, and because a lot of Jamaicans don't read, and because a lot of Jamaicans are too diehard, they don't realize that this is a distraction. This is to gain political points. Now, I don't know what else Mr. Golden is doing, but let's not use this, which is perfectly right in our constitution, to say, oh, him need to get rid of him dual citizenship. I'm going to enlighten Jamaican people on one thing. Mr. Andrew Holness and all the MPs have a diplomatic passport. And if you don't know what a diplomatic passport is, you need to go and read up on it. It is way more different than a dual citizenship. It means that anytime, if anything is happening in Jamaica, any of these MP can take any of these MP can take their diplomatic passport and fly to any country in this world and seek asylum. So when you're saying that, oh, if Jamaica is going down, Mark Golden can left and go to England. If Jamaica is going down, Mr. Holness can leave and go anywhere too. Any of the MP who has diplomatic passports can leave Jamaica and go anywhere too. As a matter of fact, a diplomatic passport is worse than having a citizenship to England. So we need to check these things. We need to know these things before we come out and attacking another MP. Now, I am not politically affiliated. So everybody will say, oh, I'm a PMP. Oh, no, 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 no. It's the rights of our country. It's the rights of our country. It's in the Constitution that as long as you have a dual citizenship and it's under the Commonwealth country, meaning England, meaning Australia, and all these places, as long as you hold a citizenship under those, you are fine. But if you hold a citizenship that is not under the Commonwealth, means you're in violation of the Constitution. And a lot of MPs that were in violation of the Constitution, who knew well that they took an oath to the Constitution and went ahead, went into Parliament, and when it blew up, they all denounced their citizenship, should go to prison. Every last one of them should go to prison and pay back every taxpayer money that was used to pay them. Every last one of them, including Darrell Vaz. And everyone in the PMP, everyone in the JLP who had a dual citizenship that was not in the Commonwealth or under the Commonwealth should go to prison and pay back every dollar of the taxpayer money. Again, people, read. It's very fundamental to read. And because we now read, that is why these politicians are taking us for fool. But read. Go in the Constitution and read, and you will see that Mr. Mark Golding dual citizenship is perfectly fine under the Commonwealth. And if we're going to talk about morals, all three of them we're going to talk about morals. Don't use that to talk about his morals. No, we're not going to do that, Jamaica. We're not going to do that.